Hey gang, Fletcher here with DJ Event Planner, and in this video we're going to be covering what are special songs, how do you create or edit a special songs list, how do you assign a special songs list, and how to update a client's special songs list. So starting off, what are special songs? Well, special songs are exactly what you think they are, the songs needed for an event's specialties. For example, for a wedding, you will require song selections from your clients for first dance, mother, son, father, daughter, etc. Other event types, such as quinceañeras, mitzvahs, etc., will have their own song selections. In DJ Event Planner, special songs are what will appear as needed song selections inside the client portal when a special songs list is assigned to an event. To see how they will appear to the client, we can log on as a client by navigating to their event, clicking on the Planning tab, then Log On As. As you can see here, this demo event has these specialty songs that we are asking them to provide to us. How do you create or edit a special songs list? To create a new special songs list or edit an existing one, when you're logged into DJ Event Planner, click on Event Planning, then Special Songs. To create a new list, click on the green New Special Songs List button. To edit a current list, click the Edit button next to the list you want to work on. Here, you can edit current songs needed or add new. Enter the title for each special song on a new line and then click Save. Now, how do we assign a special songs list? Special songs can be assigned per event, by default, or with the use of a booking helper. To assign a special song list to a specific event while creating or editing, click the Planning tab, then under Special Songs, select the list that you want to assign in the drop-down, then click Save. To set a specific list as a default list when adding new events into the system, click on Setup, Application, and then Event Form. And here, under Default Options, and under the heading Add New Event Default Planning Options, select the list you want to have set when a new event is added to the system, then click Save. To assign a special songs list via a booking helper, click on Setup, Application, Booking Helpers, and then edit or create a new booking helper. Under the Event Planning tab, you can select the special songs list you want assigned when this booking helper runs. For more information about booking helpers, please see the video tutorial titled Booking Helpers on our YouTube page. Now, what if I want to update a special songs list that a client has already begun filling out? Well, once a client has logged into their account, you will not be able to change the assigned special songs list, as you can see here. You have two options. You can edit the categories for one specific event, or delete the currently assigned special songs list. To edit the list already assigned, navigate to that event, click the Planning tab, then click on Music, and then click Edit Music. This will open in a new window. Here, you can add or edit the special songs categories. To do so, click Edit next to Special Songs. In the Classification column, you can add or edit the existing categories. Once finished, click Save. This will update that event's client portal with those new special songs. Now, to completely change a currently assigned list, you will need to delete it first. Please note that if the client has already begun adding info, you will need to back it up by printing or saving as a PDF, then manually adding in the information to the new form. To delete an assigned list, navigate to that event, click the Planning tab, then on Administration. Click the Delete button next to Delete Special Songs. Again, you will lose any information that the client has already entered, so make sure to print or save a copy before deleting. Thanks for watching this video. Should you have any questions, reach out to us by posting on the support forum or via live chat. Make sure to like this video, feel free to leave a comment and share, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive updates on future videos. Thanks for watching. Happy planning.